Hi, but actually never posted this because, I'm a mess. But yeah, I printed one of these slider thingies. It's like, instead of having to leave the door open, be like, oh my god, the door's open, look, it's a snacky snack. You have like this thing and you go like, oh, I push the thing and it's like, wow, and it slides. And it's like this little stopper in the back so you can't accidentally throw your AMS on the floor. Death, destruction, done. You have to pay Bambu for a new one, maybe. I don't know how fragile they are. But yeah, you can. I should not stick my hand in there. But yeah, as you can see now, the hot air can go whoop, and it's all done. Yeah. By the way, this Cryogrip thing from Big Q is really, 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 really good. Look at it. The little snaky snake looks very happy. Very tiny parts. And yeah. I don't see anything popping out. I see some stringing, but that's fine. Yeah. This thing. Very good. Very, 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 very good. I have it running at 40C right now just because I wanted to make sure. But maybe I should try to print it at, like, what was it? 30? Yeah, 30 is the lowest range. But yeah, AMS can now move. Cryogrip good. This print is pretty solid. Using the cookie cat filament I got. Yeah, all in all, it's a good day. Oh god, focus camera, why not focus? But yeah, have a good one. Bye bye.